How to create landing page in Samcart. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create landing page in Samcart. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Samcart, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Samcart, it is a web-based e-commerce platform designed to help creators, entrepreneurs, and online businesses sell digital and physical products with ease. And it also focuses on optimizing the checkout experience to increase conversions and maximize sales. With features like one-click upsells, order bumps, customizable checkout pages, and built-in analytics, Samcart empowers users to create high-converting sales funnels. So now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description or click the Get Started button in here and click Start a free trial. By clicking on it, all you need to do is simply choose here your plan. They offer here monthly and also an annual plan in here. After choosing the right plan that you prefer, you'll now be able to be directed on the dashboard of Samcart in here, in which on the left side panel you can navigate some of the options. But since we're trying to create here a landing pages, all you need to do is simply go to this pages option, and in here it will show you that you can create here a checkout page, lead capture, landing page. So kind of click the landing page, and on the right side panel, enter first the page name, and it will show you the URL slug in here. So at this point, I'm just going to enter Thrift Store 101 and click create page. By doing so, you will be able to be directed on the page where all you need to do is simply select here your themes and also the style that you prefer. They offer here a kind of templates that you can choose from. All you need to do is simply click on it and also choosing the style that you prefer. So for the style, I'm going to click, for example, this one. And for the templates, I'm just going to simply scroll down and find the right template for me. By clicking any of this template, it will show you in the right side panel what it looks like. So for example, I'm going to choose this one, or you could also choose the other if you want to. And once done, you can now click also the style and make it Lumo style or Lumo glow. By clicking preview to click to start selling, it will automatically be directed us on the page where we can start customizing every section of these landing pages. So we have here the header section, the body, and many more. For the header, for example, we're going to start changing this header, including the logo, by clicking the replace button on the left side. We can choose here the right of icon or also a logo for it, or upload from your computer files. But at this point, I'm just going to use the search bar to search for a specific brand, for example, Apple Music. By clicking on it, I'm going to simply choose here this logo, which is this one, and click Insert Selection. Now as you can see, we have now successfully uploaded this icon of Apple. And in here, instead of Get Started Today, I'm going to change this context or the blue button that we can see on the top right of our screen. So instead of this, I'm going to enter, for example, Try It Now. So basically, we've now successfully completely customized the whole header section in here. Moving on to the body, we could also choose by clicking this one. To customize this, I'm going to simply select this context, elevate your online presence, and I'm going to make it, for example, instead of this saying, I'm going to input here, don't miss out our sales promo. And also aside from that, you could also click on the images and click replace to choose from your computer files, get images, or even Unsplash. And I'm going to choose under Unsplash a clothing, since our landing page is about for clothes. And I'm going to choose here the images. For example, in here we have a variety of images to choose from, but clicking on it is click Insert Selection. And once done, it will show you that it is now currently uploaded. Moving on, it will show you some of the brands that I also integrated in here. You could also customize this by simply choosing the kind of website that is already integrating in your landing page. For example, I'm going to enter here Shein and some other brands or clothing brands in here, and going to search or simply go to this replace option in order to replace some of the website in here included, such as this google.com. I'm going to replace this by zara.com, which is also a clothing website like Shein that offers the same products and accessories. So now as you can see, I've already input here or customize some other brands. Moving on below, you could also customize some of the services it offers and many more. And even choose your style by clicking customize the text fonts depending on your preferences. So basically, as you can see, you can simply customize each section of your landing page in here. All of this are simply navigated on the top right corner or on the right side panel. And if you're now done, just click the publish button on the top right. By clicking the publish button, it will automatically being published when you click this public page button. And once done, all you need to do is wait for it to be published. And overall, that is just basically how you can create a landing page in Samcart. Thank you.